Foot odor is caused by bacteria and fungus that reproduce on our feet. Skin cell renewal or excessive sweating can create better breeding environments for bacteria since they feed on dead skin cells and reproduce more rapidly due to sweat. Foot odor is more common in people with poor hygiene, but it can also be caused by stress or poor eating habits. Remember these tips. 1. Moisturized feet don't stink as badly. Rub some lotion on your feet every day before going to bed. That will help keep your feet from drying out, which in turn will cut off the bacteria's food supply. Massage your feet with whatever lotion you prefer every night before going to sleep. 2. Black tea. Black tea is a natural deodorant and astringent because it is rich in tannic acid. Dipping your feet in black tea will make them sweat less and consequently produce less odor. All you have to do is boil 2 cups of water with 2 tea bags and dump the tea into a bowl of warm water. Soak your feet in this water for 20 minutes. Repeat this process daily. 3. Dry your feet off better. Not drying your feet off very well after getting out of the shower is one of the main causes of bacteria. If your feet are dry, the bacteria can't breed. So after you get out of the shower or remove your feet from soaking in black tea, dry them off well. If need be, after drying them off with a towel, use a piece of toilet paper to dry between your toes. 4. Wear socks. Socks are necessary accessories when wearing shoes. They help absorb sweat, keeping the bacteria from breeding. Of course, it's important to wear clean socks every day. It's a matter of cleanliness and health. Cotton socks are always the best. You can also put together a homemade talcum powder to prevent foot odor. It's quite simple. Just mix together 1 part cornstarch and 1 part baking soda. You can also add essential oils or fragrances to add a little something. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 drops of an essential oil, like geranium for example, 1 tablespoon of dry ground calendula petals, optional. Instructions: mix all the ingredients in a jar and massage the mixture gently into your feet. Do this before putting on your socks and shoes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.